with the Core 2 Duo laptop, which is here actually, which I couldn't get working as I wanted. It was installing Windows updates and it was crashing and there were some memory errors, and I just gave up because the laptop is obviously not capable. It's too old. I grabbed some other system I had laying around with a Core i3 processor CPU in it, with the 4th generation, so it's quite fast machine now. So that is this one here. You can see there is a VGA ventilator on top of the CPU, because I didn't have a CPU cooler at the moment. As you can see here, it's tied with tie wraps, but it actually works quite well. I just wanted to get it running. So I spent a lot of time today, way too much time at the moment, because I should be doing all kinds of other things. But this system is working here. The software is already installed. As you can see, you cannot see it, but I disconnected the internet connection because I don't trust the software on my own network. But what you see plugged in here is an Ethernet cable going to a simple switch that only goes to the Pick&Play machine itself. And you can see here it's powered on. And I didn't have anything to know if it actually was doing what it should when I powered it on, because some LEDs were blinking when it did it for the first time. I think yesterday, I'm not sure. But the software recognized the machine, and what I can do now is just do something like go home. And it works! It also says done, so I'm very happy with that result. Although it's a simple test, of course. And I'm not seeing anything with the camera at this moment, so I wonder what that could be. I don't know yet. Just have to find out. Maybe it's the top camera. No, it should. Oh wait, it is the top camera. Look at that. I'm putting my hands underneath it, and I can actually see something here. So maybe if I just grab a board and I put that underneath the camera. Look at that. You can see the board. That's what we want, and of course it's not focused because it's not at the correct height. So if I move it a bit up, oh, you can see actually the board. So the camera is working, and there's a second camera. I really thought it was using that one, but the thing you're looking here, of course, is the top camera, because that one is connected to the head. So it's okay. I'm so happy. So the buzzing noise you can hear is actually the sound of the vacuum pumps inside to control the nozzles, which pick up the parts with some vacuum, of course. So I think everything is okay. I'm not sure if I can move the system yet. No, I cannot do that now. I wish I could. I thought I should be able to, but oh look, I can change between modes here. So, but it's not doing what I expect. It says .move. It says can't move. I don't know what it means. I really have to look it up. There's no. Oh, hey, it did something. It did a step. Done. It says. That's cool. I can press buttons, but it's not doing what I want. I want to control the head, but I cannot move it. So I just have to continue reading the manual. No component to place. Really? I can put it home again. Oh man, I like that noise. I really like that noise. So, next thing is, I don't know, continue reading the manual maybe. So the software is installed. That's what I wanted for today. I didn't get any virus messages, fortunately. I installed Avast free. I'm not sure if that's the most reliable, because I actually don't use antivirus software specifically on my Windows 10 machine, just the Microsoft things. I hope I'm not triggering anybody to try me out. But I'm very careful what I visit and what I install on my working machines, of course. Anyway, so far the result is good. I'm going to power off the machine now, because I'm going to continue reading the manual, and that's the most easy way of powering it off. Send a command failed. Okay, so it has a continuous connection, which is obvious because the camera now is black instead of white. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I will upload the next update as soon as I can. So bye!